apparently McDonald's has a new McFlurry that is banana with Kit Kat, which is like 3 of my favorite things. Ice cream, Kit Kat, banana. I love all of that, so we're gonna try to get one.
Yeah, they have it.
Oh, you see it? Where?
I will be using your rewards code to earn some points today.
You said bye to the girl on the intercom.
Yeah. You want to see your pooch?
My dog or my stomach?
A little bit of both.
Thank you. I definitely like it. I wish the Kit Kats were crunchier. I think they get a little bit sogs.
Mm.
That's what it looks like. It's definitely the best McFlurry they have. What do you think?
I don't like Kit Kats.
You probably won't like this. What do you rate it? You want to be in the video? Move it towards me.
4.6.
4.6 out of
10.
I'll give it a 6 out of 10. The flavor is good. But you run out of toppings like before you even get to the middle. We're done with it.